Welcome to our comprehensive guide on big data and the Internet of Things. Today, we are going to explore how we manage and analyze the incredible scale and velocity of data generated by billions of connected devices. This is a crucial topic for understanding the modern data landscape. First, we must understand the sheer magnitude of the situation. Every single second, billions of devices connect to the Internet, from factory sensors to smartwatches and even our cars. This massive connectivity creates a data tsunami that traditional systems simply cannot process efficiently. To manage this, we look at the 3 V's of big data in the context of IoT. Volume refers to the massive size of the data. Velocity is the high speed at which data streams in, and variety represents the different formats, like structured logs or unstructured video feeds. Let's talk about volume. It is not just about having enough hard drives. The challenge is the cost of storage and the speed of retrieval. When you are storing billions of records, finding one specific anomaly in milliseconds becomes incredibly difficult. Next is velocity. IoT data arrives in high-speed streams. Traditional databases are designed to write one record at a time, which is too slow for millions of simultaneous events. To fix this, we use stream processing engines that analyze data while it is still moving. One major solution is edge computing. Instead of sending every single piece of data to the cloud, we process it locally on the device or a nearby gateway. This allows us to filter out noise and only send the most important insights to the central server. When we do store data, we often use time series databases instead of standard SQL databases. These are optimized specifically for data that is stamped with a time. They handle massive write speeds and make it very fast to query trends over time. A common architecture involves 2 paths. The hot path is for real-time data that needs immediate action, like an overheating alert. The cold path is for batch storage, where we keep data for long-term analysis and historical reporting. Let's look at a real-world example: smart fleet management. Imagine a company with 10,000 trucks. By analyzing engine health and GPS data in real time, they can predict breakdowns before they happen, significantly reducing downtime and saving money. To summarize, remember that IoT generates massive volume and velocity. To handle this, we use edge computing to filter data, time series databases for efficient storage, and we split our processing into hot and cold paths to balance speed and depth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.